Hello children, a very good morning to all. Today we are going to learn about aquatic animals. Aqua means water. Animals which live in water are called aquatic animals. This is the picture of a fish. These triangular portions, they are called fins, which helps the fish to swim in the water. And these are the gills. Gills help to breathe. Here you can see the full body of the fish is covered with scales, and here this lady is removing the scales of the fish. This is the picture of a shark fish. The upper teeth are triangular in shape and the lower teeth are pointed. And shark, if a tooth breaks off, then another tooth grow in its place within a day. This is the picture of a whale. Whale is the biggest animal in the world. They come on the surface of the water to breathe. This is the picture of a dolphin. Dolphins are very clever. They are very friendly and playful. Dolphins eat fishes and they jump up out of the water and perform different types of tricks like this. This is a catfish. Catfish has whiskers like a cat around its mouth and it stings. The sting of the catfish is very painful and they do not have scales on their body. This is the picture of a stingray. Stingray are flattened fish. Their body is like a pancake. Their tails are dangerous. They can injure the enemy with the help of their tail. They don't have bones. This is an octopus. Octopus has 8 tentacles or arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Octopus, they live in deep and dark water along the ocean floor. They eat crab, shrimps and lobsters. They can change the color of their body according to the surrounding. They have soft body. This is a jellyfish. Jellyfish don't have brain, heart, bones or eyes. They are beautiful. They have many vibrant colors, red color, pink color, purple color, yellow color, and they sting and their stings are painful. This is a seahorse. Look at the head of the seahorse. The head looks like the head of the horse and therefore it is called seahorse. And seahorse have small fins and they breathe through gills. This is a starfish. Its shape is like a star. It has 5 tentacles or 5 arms and they are also called sea stars. This is a crab. Most of the crab, they live in water, but some live in river water and on land. They have 10 legs. Front 2 legs are claws. Their body has a hard shell. These are the oysters, and oysters have irregular shape and they have thick shells. Some oysters, they make pearl. This is a shark, whale, dolphin, catfish, stingray, octopus, jellyfish, seahorse, sea star, crab and oyster. And this is a frog. Frog is an amphibian. These are the pictures of a frog. They have different types of designs on their body. You can see frog lives both on land and in water. Their back feet are webbed feet and they help them to swim in water. Frog live in water and on land. Therefore, it is called amphibian. There is one question. Name the water animals that live both on land and water. Frog, crocodile and tortoise live on land and water. Thank you, children.